Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at some X-Men cards. I'm not talking about HeroClix character cards, nor X-Men trading cards, but rather we're going to look at X-Men playing cards. Let's go! Okay, so we have here X-Men playing cards, and you can see in the front we have here the core members of the X-Men: Cyclops, Jean Grey, Beast, Iceman, Wolverine, Storm, Colossus, and Angel. So I got this item from Amazon. I was browsing through some X-Men related stuff, and this one is one of the cheaper ones. I think I got this for $9 US. Okay, so at the side we have the X-Men logo. This is from Aquarius. Same on the other side. The top shows Marvel, and the bottom shows some manufacturing information. This is from Valencia, California. And at the back you see some of the sample cards, the Eight of Hearts, the X-Men, and the King of Clubs. Okay, playing cards, and that's it. You can probably go to this social and website for some more information. But for now, we are going to jump into the unboxing. So I tried to get X-Men related stuff. Okay, primarily I collect HeroClix and Marvel Legends of X-Men, okay, as well as some trading card of X-Men. So Funko, not yet. I don't want to start that collection because there are a lot of backlogs. Okay, but small items like this really catches my attention because it's a one-time thing, and since I have trading cards, I can store it in the same way I store my cards. Okay, so let's take a look at the quality of the cards. So this image is the back of the card. Okay, good to know. Okay, so quality is fine. So we have here the Joker, which is the Krakoa cover of Professor X, Magneto, Wolverine, Marvel Girl, and Cyclops. Quality is standard, I guess, for a playing card. I'm happy that it is a bit updated because it shows Krakoa already. Okay, so another Joker card. Okay, so I guess these are the famous comic covers. Let's go with the spades. Okay. We'll get one card from each suit that we like the most. And probably you can also comment below which one is your favorite card. Ooh, this looks familiar, like the tarot card. Wendigo, old school X-Men, Jim Lee cover, Sentinel. Who is this? Okay, Hellfire, Cloak and Dagger, interesting. Galactus, why is Galactus here? Age of Apocalypse, and that's it for the clubs. Let's pick one that catches our attention, and I would have to go with, where's that? Definitely. Let's go with Jim Lee's Eight of Spade. Okay. Let's hope all the Jim Lees are here as well. Ace of Hearts now. Cyclops. Is this Sunspot? Ooh, it's the Phoenix Force. Sentinel. Quicksilver. Is he chasing himself? Oh, is this Sentinel Bastion? Okay. Ooh, Ten of Swords. Cyclops. Wolverine. Old school X-Men. Okay. Those are the hearts. And I'd probably have to go with this one. Apocalypse. 5 of Hearts. Oh, there's someone here. Let's go with the clubs. Starting off with another Krakoa cover. Okay, ooh. Sabretooth and Mystic. Different versions of Jean. Who is this? This is Gambit. Cyclops. Cyclops. Elektra versus Wolverine. Now that's something I would watch. Strong guy. Okay, that's it for the clubs. And we'll probably go with, let's see. This one, the Jean Greys. The 10 of clubs. Finally, for the last suit, the diamonds. Okay, this is the Wolverine versus Cyclops Sishims. Ooh, Magneto. Ooh, Vampire Jubilee. Sentinel. Jean Greys. Wolverine. First Class. Cyclops Mystique. Typhoid Mary. Yeah. Wolverine. Who is this? And X-Force. X-Factor. X-Force. So let's go with definitely our guy, Wolverine. The 9 of Diamonds. So that's it. That's the content of this deck of X-Men playing cards. Quick unboxing. Again, put in the comments which ones you like the most. I'm gonna sort it out. Put them on sleeves. So for now, bye-bye!